Okay, picture this. A door clicks shut behind you. A clock on the wall starts ticking down. The only way you're getting out of here is by piecing together a trail of secrets and puzzles hidden all around you. So, how do you build that? How do you hide a secret so perfectly that the moment someone finds it, they feel like an absolute genius? Welcome to Escape Rock. Now, in this explainer, we're flipping the script. We're not trying to get out. Nope, we're the ones locking the door. We're going to explore the art of escape room design, and we're zeroing in on one absolutely crucial question. How do you hide the clues? All our secrets today are coming straight from Paige Ellsworth Lyman's Do-It-Yourself Escape Room book. All right, first things first, we need to get one thing straight. A truly great escape room is not just a glorified scavenger hunt. The point isn't just to, find a key taped under a chair. It's about creating these layers of discovery that challenge your mind, not just your ability to spot things. It's all about engineering that incredible aha moment when it all just clicks. And this right here shows you exactly what I mean. A scavenger hunt? It's pretty straightforward. You find a key, you open a lock, boom, done. But an escape room? Oh, that's a whole different ballgame. It's like this awesome intellectual chain reaction. You might find some hint words, which let you unlock a box. But inside that box is a scrambled message. And only when you unscramble that does it point you to a specific book, which finally gives you the combination you need. You see, every single step is its own little puzzle. So, if that's the goal, to create that satisfying chain of puzzles, where in the world do we start? Well, it all begins with the hiding itself. Let's break down the 3 golden rules for hiding your clues like a pro. First up, the goal. You're aiming for that sweet spot right between challenging and just plain frustrating. There's a very fine line there. Second, the test. You have got to check if your clue can actually be removed without destroying anything. That scroll you cleverly rolled up and stuck in a bottle, great idea, until your players realize they have to smash the bottle to get it out. Not so great. And third, and this one is so important, the list. You have to make a list of every single hiding spot. Trust me on this one, it is shockingly easy to forget where you put that final crucial key when you're setting up. And this quote, this really gets to the heart of the whole philosophy. The hiding place shouldn't be the hardest part of the game. It should just be the doorway to the real challenge, the puzzle itself. You're not trying to make something impossible to find. You're trying to make it rewarding to discover. Okay, so let's take this to the next level. Let's talk about the most elegant, most clever way to hide a clue, and that is to not really hide it at all. Instead, you disguise it as something else, something that's been right there staring your players in the face the entire time. Take a look at this poem. Imagine it's framed and hanging on the wall in a pirate-themed room. Most people would just glance at it, think, oh, cool, some atmosphere, and immediately go back to checking under the rug. It looks like simple decoration, right? But it is so much more than that. The secret isn't under anything, it's right here. It's a puzzle of perception. So before I give it away, just take a second. Can you see it? What are your eyes just naturally skipping right over? And there it is, the capitalized letters. TWENTYNINE. 29. Boom. The clue wasn't hidden physically. It was hidden conceptually, disguised as just some random capitalization. I mean, this is the masterstroke of clue design. It's when the clue and the puzzle become the exact same thing. So, let's wrap this up. What have we learned? Well, first, the best escape rooms are all about the brainy puzzles, not just a frantic search. To get that right, you gotta follow the 3 golden rules: goal, test, and list. And remember, the most brilliant clues are the ones that are hiding in plain sight. Because at the end of the day, your ultimate goal is to engineer that amazing aha moment for your players. Ultimately, designing a great hiding spot is about psychology. It's about getting your players to see the secret patterns that are right in front of them all the time. The reward isn't just finding the clue, it's that incredible feeling of brilliance that comes right along with it. So the question is, what aha moment will you create?